Modern software teams are expected to deliver results quickly, like a top race team. Yet many Jira Cloud teams lack the right testing support. Testing is delayed, scattered in spreadsheets, or handled in tools outside Jira. BesTest solves this problem as a native Jira Cloud app that transforms Jira into your team's quality hub, making release readiness visible to everyone, not just an assumption. Let's open BesTest from Jira. Everything starts with requirements. Inside the requirements view, we open a requirement to see its details, significance, and crucially, its test coverage. This unified source keeps design, product, dev, and QA aligned on each requirement's intent before any tests run. From here, we check linked items and coverage. If coverage is incomplete, we add test cases directly, choosing folders, relevant tests, and confirming the link. This provides immediate visibility. Does each requirement have proper test coverage or not? Coverage is actionable, not just a number. We can jump from a requirement to its linked test cases details, swap between cases, and view past executions, revealing not just coverage, but historic test performance. If we need more coverage, we create a new test case, give it a clear name, fill most important data like description and folder, then assign an owner, making accountability and organization clear within the test suite. Next, we define test steps with specific actions and expected results. These ISTQB-inspired test cases appear in a Jira-like format for easy understanding and execution, turning vague acceptance criteria into clear checks. Once saved, the test case enters the test case workflow. We set its status, send it for review, choose a reviewer, and leave a note. Only that reviewer can approve it in the Review tab, ensuring accountability and auditability. The reviewer checks and approves the test, moving it to active status, ready to use. This ensures your suite isn't just big, but credible with vetted tests covering requirements. With test cases ready, we create a test cycle, naming it for the phase, sprint, integration, or release, and picking cases to include, new or existing. We can also add collections, sets of pre-designed test cases for quick assembly of regression or smoke suites, making it easy to reuse proven coverage without repetition. Assign executors to each case on the Planning tab, clarifying who is responsible to run each scenario, and turning the test list into a real plan, using the test player. We then open the test player to execute tests. Group cases into logical sections, select a test case, start execution, change to compact mode to utilize your screen and optionally track timing. Update each step's status. All steps passing means a pass. Any step failing means a fail. If a step fails, link it directly to a Jira item, immediately creating or connecting a defect with context. This defect link appears throughout the UI, tightly joining testing with development. We can return later to retry failed tests or plan re-execution. This addresses not just whether tests exist, but whether they pass in practice and what happens if they fail. While execution is ongoing, leads can quickly check the Execution tab for cycle status, showing progress, pass rate, defects status by test, who's executing evolving progress, and which cases are blocked or failed. This offers a simple pulse on release readiness or problem areas. For deeper insight, reports provide test execution results across cycles. There are built-in filterable reports. Test execution result. Visualize or list the executed test case's status, grouped by test cycles. Plan versus actual timing report helps to monitor estimate accuracy. Defect analysis shows reports related to linked work item, bugs. The requirements traceability matrix links requirements, tests, executions, and defects at a glance. Export and share reports for audits, retrospectives, or leadership, turning test evidence into documentation. BesTest matches daily workflow, adapting to Jira's dark theme for occasionally long sessions or late releases. The For You tab brings together all your assignments and updates to highlight exactly where each team member should focus. As a native Forge app, BesTest brings requirements, test design, review, execution, and reporting right into the Jira interface teams know, offering standards-based testing without unnecessary complexity or high price.